many people are having trouble with canceling a program on the Bosch Serie 8W28740ES washing machine? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Cancel high-temperature programs. Cancel high-temperature programs. Press this button. Select Shrinsings, then press a button again to cool down laundry. Step 2. Cancel low-temperature programs. Cancel low-temperature programs. Press this button, select Spin or Drain, then press this button again. Step 3. Handle active oxygen programs. Programs with active oxygen. Take note, the door will lock up to 25 minutes. Switch appliance on again if needed. Step 4. Continue interrupted program. If program ends during rinse hold, flashes on the display. Continue program by pressing or adjusting spin speed. Step 5. End the program. To end the program, 0 and will appear on the display. An indicator will turn on. Open the door and remove your laundry. Step 6. Clean the machine. Cleaning. Ensure no laundry is in drum. Remove foreign objects from drum and rubber seal. Leave door open for water to evaporate. Now that you've followed the steps, you should be able to conveniently cancel any program on your Bosch Serie 8W28740ES washing machine. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There, you will also find questions and answers from other Bosch users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.